Hey up everybody, this is Bare Feet Billy with another No Shoes review, and today I am going to be showing you the Urge Basics Soundbrick Bluetooth stereo speaker, which I purchased from Amazon for $47. Just a simple box. And this is what it looks like. It has two small speakers inside, has these nice rubber feet, has kind of a bass port here for a little bit of bass, which it has pretty good bass. On the top here you have sound, the volume down, the volume up, and then start and stop. And is that focusing? Yeah, start and stop. It's volume up, volume down, and supposedly it's a speakerphone, but I'm not a cell phone guy, so I don't know whether that works or not. You can see the rubber feet on there. Here's the USB charging port line in, and the best part of it all, the line out, which means that you can use this as a Bluetooth bridge to a much better stereo system, which makes it very versatile, and which is the reason that I purchased it. So we will turn it on. When you turn the on button on, it makes a little beep and you get a blue light there. It comes with the Bluetooth charging cord and a line out, line in cord. So the first thing we'll do is we'll pair it with this Samsung tablet. I don't know what kind of reflection I'm getting there. Okay, so we'll go to Bluetooth. Turn that on. And there it is. UG SND BRK. So it is paired. And let's find something real quick to turn. I like to turn it up here so I can control it from here. What am I looking for? Let me go into the folder here. Find some audio files. Music. Let's do... try this one. There you have. It's jumping all over the place. But it's got good sound there. So let me stop that. So that's it paired up Bluetooth. Now we will take this little radio and this line in here. We plug it into the line in. Focus camera, focus. Focus camera. There we go. So I've got it plugged into the line in. I'm going to take it, pop it into this little radio, and boom.
Marketplace is supported by Rice University's Jones Graduate School of...
So as you can see, it works as two different devices. Ooh, let me turn it off. It's awful loud. So you have an auxiliary input, and that is the Urge Soundbrick. It is like a brick by Urge Basics. Amazon.com. Great speaker. I don't know why you'd get any other one than this, considering that it was under $50. Thank you and goodbye.